How to reset trusted computers for iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to reset trusted computers on your iPhone or iPad. This is useful if you want to remove devices that have access to your data or if you are facing connection issues with your computer. So let's get started. When you connect your iPhone or iPad to a computer, it asks whether you want to trust the computer. Trusted computers can access your data like photos and files. Resetting this is a good idea if you have shared access with a public or old device. Now, let's walk into the steps. First, open Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap General. Next, select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Tap Reset and choose Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your password to confirm. And that's it. Now, the next time you connect your device to a computer, it will ask you to trust it again. And there you go. This is a quick and easy way to manage your trusted devices. Make sure to only trust computers you know are safe. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.